Hello everyone, this is part 2 of our chapter Water, and in this video we are going to cover properties of water, types of water and water cycle. First of all, covering some of the basic properties of water. Density of water is 997 kg per meter cube. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Its melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. Its molar mass is 18.01528 gram per moles. And its formula is H2O. Now covering the fact that water is considered as a compound and not as an element. Henry synthesized water from its elements by igniting the elements in their respective ratios, thereby leading to the conclusion that water is not an element but a compound of hydrogen and oxygen combined in the ratio of 2:1. Lavoisier further confirmed that water is a compound of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, and that a molecule of water is comprised of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So water is considered as compound because of its similarities with the properties of compound. First, compounds have a fixed composition and the elements are combined in a fixed proportion by weight. Similar to compounds, in water the elements hydrogen and oxygen are combined in a fixed proportion by weight. Second, compounds have new properties and the original components lose their individual properties when they are combined in the form of a compound. Properties of water differ from the properties of its individual elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. That is why it falls in the category of compounds. Third, components of a compound can be separated by only chemical means and not by physical means. Similar to compounds, the components hydrogen and oxygen can be separated by chemical means like electrolysis process but not by physical means. So from all these points, we can conclude that water is a compound and not an individual element. Now covering types of water. The two main categories of water are natural water and second is treated water. Natural water is the water which is found in natural state without any treatment. It includes rainwater, spring water, well water, river water, lake water and sea water. Now, second variety of water is treated water. It is a type of water which has received some form of treatment. It includes following categories: first, distilled water; second, pipe-borne water; third, chlorinated water. Now first of all, covering distilled form of water. It is the purest form of water which is used for qualitative analysis, that is for chemical tests. It is prepared by condensing water vapors or steam. It is soft water which is free from all form of solutes. Second variety of treated water is pipe-borne water. It is prepared by filtration followed by chemical treatment of water. It is free from bacteria, but it may contain essential mineral solutes. The third variety of treated water is chlorinated water. Water is chlorinated to kill bacteria and other germs, and it is used in the swimming pools to kill germs. In this case, chlorine is added to water for its purification. Now covering water cycle. Water cycle or hydrological cycle describes the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. Nature maintains the water cycle by circulation of water from the earth's surface by evaporation to the atmosphere, and then its condensation takes place in the form of clouds, and at last it moves back to the earth's surface in the form of either rainwater, snowfall, etc. So because of this water circulation process, the overall amount of water remains constant. Now covering water cycle diagrammatically. As we can see in this diagram, there is evaporation of water from various sources like from river water and sea water. After evaporation of water, water is collected in the form of water vapor. Water vapor condenses and form clouds. When the clouds become heavy, they start precipitation. Precipitation takes place either in the form of rainwater, snowfall, etc. So by various forms of precipitation, water again enters into the earth's surface. Then evaporation of water takes place and the cycle continues. So in this way, water keeps on circulating. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.